Okay, so this is where we left off. And so what we need to do here, since we have double fractions, is to rewrite this guy as multiply by the reciprocal. So cosine x over 1. And so we're going to do the same thing on this side. So what happens over here is, of course, the bottom is going to cancel out. And on the top, I'm going to get, okay, cosine squared x now over 1, if you want to put that. Not necessary. And then plus, and over here, I'm going to do the same thing. So dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And in the bottom, those are going to cancel. And then on top, I'm going to get something like this. So sine times sine gives me sine squared x. And what do you notice? Well, cosine squared x plus sine squared x, this is an identity, Pythagorean identity, and this is equal to 1. The whole thing. And so we did have on the right hand side at the beginning, we wanted to verify that if we simplified this, it would indeed equal to 1, and it did. Okay, and on the back of the worksheet that you have, with the notes, you'll see that there's a Trig Identities practice. Now, yes, there are 53 problems, but you do not need to do all 53, but you do need to make sure that you are comfortable doing this and verifying these identities. So there are plenty of problems to practice this. So yeah, and I'll probably, for a homework assignment, I would say at least have 10. Work on 10 of them. I wouldn't do the first 10. I would kind of pick 10 from different places so you can get different types of problems. But this is the verifying trig identities.